Kung naghahanap kayo ng posisyon or service na pwede ninyong i-offer ng 3 to 4 hours lang, medyo flexi, or kung kailan kayo available, but at the same time, pwede kayong kumita ng malaki, then I would highly recommend social media management and marketing. And when I say social media management and marketing, please keep in mind na hindi lang siya Facebook lang ha. Let me share with you a feedback from one of our mentees.
Okay, nung po yung tinuro niya, ayun nga po sinasabi ko sa feedback ko, akala ko pag SMM, napakasimple lang nung gagawin, dami pa po palang ikaw-consider. Kaya natuwa po kasi yung way niya ng pagturo is, hindi po yung parang typical na boring na magtuturo. Ganyan. So, siya po, okay po talaga yung turo niya sa amin.
So if you guys are interested to join the class this weekend ng SMM, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. It will open our Gig Hub. Sa Gig Hub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para makapag-start mag-work from home. But, under live mentorship, 999 pesos lang po. May internship na at may mock interview at may application book at may certification. I-click nyo lang yon para mabuksan ang form. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click mo. In case di gumana yung Instagram at TikTok, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to at pagkatapos makikita nyo sa caption or sa comment section yung pinaka-link. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!